Next, we're going to look at some belly breathing. So we had the ball underneath the armpit, finding how the side and the back of the ribs move. Now we're actually going to free the belly. So this is something that's quite confronting for a lot of women. We really don't like to distend the belly and release, but it's really important for good health of the abdominal muscles to be able to release and let go. And so the best place to do that is in your 4-point kneel. So just remembering supporting the wrists or the knees in whichever way we need to, putting the arms or the forearms on a box if loading the wrist is not an option. So I'll get Mariella to come back into her 4-point kneel. Hands are slightly in front of the shoulders, knees are directly under the hips, and the feet are nice and open, provided that there are no pins in the toes. We want to have this lovely long line, so a sense of reaching the crown of the head and the sitting bones in opposite directions. And now I'm just going to invite her to allow her tummy to relax as she inhales. So she's going to let the tummy come towards the floor as much as it can. And then as she exhales, she's going to lift the tummy and she's going to draw it up towards her spine. And she's going to inhale. She's going to allow that belly to expand. And as she exhales, she's going to lift it back up. So it doesn't have to be a deep breath here, but you do just have to, in your mind, give your belly permission to allow gravity to assist the release. This is a great way to feel that abdominal connection. There's no change in the spine. It's not like doing a cat-cow or anything like that. We're just staying where we are, and we're just actually allowing the belly to expand forward and down towards the floor and then lift up.